We'll guide you through how to transfer photos from a Samsung phone to a USB drive. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to go and do because you can then go and have them on here instead of your phone. So you can go and have the space freed up, and it also means you can go and access them on other devices because you can plug this into other devices really easily. So make sure it's this full guide and don't skip anything, as we're covering some important points throughout this whole guide. So you can come into your gallery. I'll come into mine now, and I've got some different photos I want to go and do this with. So what we can do is you can come and grab the drive. Now it's important to note that you need to go and check the drive because some can just go and plug straight into the phone. Of course, this one you can see the port is completely different. So in order to go and connect this, we're going to need to go and use an adapter. So we're going to go and link some adapters down below. This is a USB-C to USB. I'm pretty sure most modern Samsung phones go and use USB-C. So what we can do is go and plug the adapter in. Then what you want to do is go and grab the drive, and we're going to go and plug this in. It's important to note this can only go in one way. So make sure you put it in the right way, and then make sure it's firmly plugged in. So now what we need to do is we need to go and swipe up, and we need to go and find the Files app. So you can come into Samsung and find My Files, or you can always use search at the top and go and type in Files and go and find it. Here we are. So if you're in a folder, you may need to go and press the back button to go and get back to the main page. You can scroll down to storage and you should see the USB. Now we can go and get to our images. So you may go and have images in categories or come into internal storage and press DCIM, and you'll see different folders here, and you can then go into the folder you want to go and view. Now what we need to do is go and select the ones we want to go and move and transfer. So tap and hold them. And you tap and hold until it selects, and then you can go and select the ones you want to do it with. And then what you can do is come to the bottom left and press move. At the top, you scroll along and select USB storage. I like to go and create a folder for this, so I'm just going to name this Realm. Then we can go and press create, tap on it and press move here. And they're then going to be moved and transferred there. That's it. They'll then go from here as we move them onto here. You could have pressed copy instead, by the way, if you want to do it that way.